Hello guys, welcome to Brogrammers. Today we are going to solve 12th August Leetcode problem of the day. The question states to find kth largest element. Note that kth largest element in the sorted order, not the kth distinct element. Okay, so it is telling like whenever we are going to find the kth element, it should be in the sorted manner. So whenever the question tells to find the largest or the smallest element, we always use heap. Okay, we always use heap. So here we have to find kth largest element. So whenever we have to find the kth largest element, we use min-heap. Okay. And whenever we have to find the smallest element, we use max. So why we are using the min-heap here? Okay. So let's take example of 2, 4, 1, 6, 3. Okay. Let's say we have to find third largest element. Third largest element. So k is equal to 3. And so we make a heap. This is priority queue. Make a heap. We push the elements one by one. We push 2, then we push 4. Okay. See, whenever we push the element or we push any new element, the min heap or the heap automatically rearranges itself. No. So what min heap will do, the smallest element will always come on top. Right? So what will happen to this? 2 will come here and then 4 will come here. No. Similarly, when we push 1, it is already in its form. Then we push 6, it's here. Okay. But 6 should come at bottom, it is the largest element. No. So we will rewrite all of them 6, 4, 2, 1. We have kth, right? So whenever the heap exceeds k, we pop the top element. No, we pop the top element. After popping, we have remaining three elements. Right? So again, we push three here. We push three, but it will again rearrange. Two will come here and three will go down. Two. So again, it is greater than three, greater than k. Again, we will pop the top element. Right? After popping the top element, we have the three elements in the queue. We have nothing left in the array. So what it will return? It will return the top. So top is the kth largest element, which is third largest element. So answer will be 3. Similar thing we have to do here in this question. We have to make two functions, which adds the element in the array like this, adds a new element in the array, and we find the kth largest element for which we will use priority queue, which is mini. Right? So let's move to the pseudocode, or let's try run this example. It is given to find the kth largest element, so we will use min-heap here. Okay, we will make a priority queue. Now we are given k equal to 3. So this is k equal to 3, and this is the array or the string 4, 5, 8, 2. Okay, so for one by one we will put in the priority queue. First we put 4, then we put 5. As it is min-heap, it will rearrange itself. 4 will come up and 5 will go down. 4 will come up, 5 will go down. So then we push 8. 8 we will push here. Okay. Again it will rearrange itself. 4, 5, 8. Now 2 will be pushed. Okay. We pushed all the elements. Now what it is telling, we have to make a add function which pushes this element to this array. Fine. Or this pushes the element to this priority queue. Now we check like do we have or see, add functions pushes the element in this, appends the valve to the array. Fine. Which is elements the represent appends the integer to the string, means it adds the value to the given array. So after adding all these elements, we will have 4, 5, 8, 2, 3, 5, 10, 9, and 4. Fine. See, we push these elements. Now we check for the k. Now, see, this is the size of the k, which is 3. If the priority queue size, exceeds k, then we pop the element. This is always the condition. So we pop the top element. After popping the top element, we will check if it's equal to or less than k. We push the third element. We push the next element, which is 3. Fine. We push 3 here. We push 3. Now it is already arranged, so we don't touch it. Again, we are pushing 5. Fine. Now, what will happen whenever you are pushing the elements of add? है the top element will be pushed to answer. It will take an answer array. We added 3, but it is exceeding the k limit, so we will pop it. Fine. After popping, we will push the top to the answer, which is 4. Fine. Again, we will push 5 here. We push 5. Now we see like priority queue has to again rearrange itself. So we have 4, 5, 5, 8. It will rearrange as 4, 5, 5, 8. Okay. Again, k is 3. It will pop the top element and it will push. After popping the top element, we will push the top, which is which has k as the width. No, k size top element, which is 5. Again, we will push 10. Fine. After pushing 10, again we will check. Okay, fine. It will again rearrange itself, which is 5, 5, 8, 10. See, k is this size. As it is greater than k, we will pop it. We will pop it, and after popping, we will again push the top element to the answer array. Fine. Again, we are pushing 9. After pushing 9 here, again priority queue will rearrange itself. The elements are 5, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 5, 8, 9, and 10. Again, see, this is exceeding the k size. It will pop the top element, which is above k size, and after popping, it will push the top of the array to the answer. Okay. Again, we will push the remaining elements, which is 4, will come here. And again, it will rearrange 4, 8, 9, 10. It's already arranged. So we again pop it, pop the 4, and after popping the 4, we will return the top element, which is at the given size 3. See, this comes out the answer. Okay. Now we write the pseudocode for it. So what do we have to? First of all, we have to declare the priority queue. Okay. We have to declare the priority queue of, see, we are using min heap, so we will use greater here. Okay. Whenever we will use min heap, we will always use greater. Fine. If we are using max heap, then we'll remove this greater part. Okay. After this, we will take the size. Okay. These will be public. Now we take the constructor which we have, which is K largest, which takes size k and vector, which we are given as a string. Okay. Now we take the size as k, we store the value k in the size, and we will traverse it. We will traverse the array, and one by one we will push it in the priority queue. After every element, after pushing every element, we will check like if the priority queue size is exceeding our kth limit or not. Okay. If it is exceeding, then we pop it the top element. Now, after pop the top element, which is pq.pop. This is to get the kth element from the priority queue. So this top, after popping this top, at the top we always have the kth largest element. Okay. Now we add the value in the arrays, which is a simple. We have to add this into the priority queue. Okay. So we directly add it into the priority queue. We push the value, and after pushing, we again check like if pq exceeds our k size limit. If it's exceed, again we will do pq.pop. And after these all, we will return pq.top. Okay. So let me explain you the code. After this is the given array, okay, which we initially put in our priority queue. Fine. We will check everything like does it exceed our k size limit? We pop element, and after this operation, we will be remaining with the k elements. Okay, we will be remaining with the 3 elements only from this given string. Okay. After this, we will use add. Now we will initialize. We will make add function which pushes the value in the priority queue. After every element we push, we check the size of the priority queue. Like if it's exceed the k, if it is exceeding k, then we pop the top element, and after every operation we return the top. Like in the driver function, it will be this top will be appended to answer array. Okay, fine. It is telling this will be appended to the string. Fine, and we will this value will be returned. Okay. So if you have any questions, then you can comment down. Thank you.